How's it, everyone? It's France here. For those who don't know me, I usually post clips where I train and mindset, motivation. Here and there's a bit of sport. That's basically what my page is about. And yeah, I just felt today I want to hit a different direction. I actually always wanted to do this, but it took me a while to actually build confidence to do this. And I just want to start a thing where I speak about, life, mindset, sport, work, training, nutrition. And I feel like I've got all of this experience that's in me that I need to get out there. So where I can perhaps help people. You know, I know life can get to you, and uh, work gets to you, and you don't have time to do things. So I know all of that. I'm there. I'm there. So you're not alone. And that's actually why I wanted to start to speak out. Motivation only can only carry you that much, and then it's back to work. So I always wanted to start a podcast and all of that, but today I decided I'm gonna do it. And yeah, if you like this, give me a follow. There's a lot of things I'll be talking about. I'll be talking about sport, like I said, life, mindset. I'm a pharmacist as profession, so I've got a lot of experience in the field of medicine, nutrition, all of that, vitamins, all of that. So yeah, tell me what you think.